Take command of the road in the 2013 Chevrolet Traverse. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, and power windows. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.